In this video, I'm going to show you how to record WhatsApp calls on your Android device. So, let's jump right in. WhatsApp offers plenty of call features, but strangely, it doesn't have a built-in option for call recording. While most modern Android phones include call recording for regular calls, WhatsApp hasn't caught up yet. But don't worry, I have a simple solution for you. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Call Recorder and download the app shown in this video. Once installed, open the app and grant all the necessary permissions. This app is safe and trusted, so you don't need to worry about privacy. Next, go into the app settings, enable call recording, and click on audio source, then select voice recognition. Now you're ready to record WhatsApp calls. Open WhatsApp, call any contact, and the recording will start automatically. You can confirm this in the notification bar. When the call ends, return to the Call Recorder app, where you'll see a list of your recorded WhatsApp calls, complete with contact names. To listen, just tap on the contact, hit play, and you can review your conversation anytime. By using this trusted third-party app, you can easily record your WhatsApp calls on Android. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.